This is a demonstration of Tempest, software tool designed by Storm Petrel. It's a tool designed to manage the FEMA Public Assistance Grant Program, which is part of FEMA's overall response to disasters. It's a grant program for public nonprofits and municipal, city, state, town governments, county governments. I'm going to do 3 transactions. 2 are expense transactions for contracts and 1 revenue transaction. I'm going to work with PW 971. It is a Category C large project, has an obligated value of $466,000. Just take a quick look at the project worksheet in here. Many of these fields, such as the damage description and scope of work, were copied from the Microsoft Excel sheets or reports from EMI. I didn't make any changes, so I hit cancel. I'm going to go to the transaction register, which is where the current expenses, the actual expenses, are recorded. I've already done some data entry. I'm going to do 3 more. I'm going to add a transaction for 971. This is an expense transaction that took place on 10/4/2012. It is a contract. I'll show you the other options. These should be familiar with those of you who know the Excel form. So a contract. The vendor is SVE, something I'd already put in for Bridge Design Services. Invoice number is 43696. The value of the claim is 60870. This has been paid, and it is contract invoice number 9. You can put in a link to your accounting system or anything you'd like there. The total value of the invoice is 1844.34. It was paid on 10/21 with check number 17252. With that done, I'm going to add the transaction. Next transaction is very similar. Expense transaction on 11/6/2012. It is a contract with SVE for Bridge Design Services 43727 for the amount of 4126.80. It is paid. Contract invoice number 10. The form value is 4126.80. The paid date is 11/27/2012 with check number 7723, and I'm going to go ahead and add that transaction using my keyboard. Now I'll do a revenue transaction, which is a grant payment from either FEMA or your state. Same PW, but this time instead of an expense, I'm going to do a revenue. The transaction date is 10/10/2012 from FEMA. My partner here is limited to the 2 that I receive grant funds from, FEMA. This is payment number 21, and the value is 105,480.92. Add that transaction, and you can see that the transactions are accruing in here. And that'll end the demonstration of entering 2 different types of transactions into Tempest. Thank you.